Hi, fourth graders. Today, we are going to continue our work with talking about light. Yesterday, you listened to Miss Sarah's talk about some vocabulary for light, like the words refraction, reflection, and absorption. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at what that might look like in real life. So let's take a look at what it looks like when light hits a mirror. Hey, fourth graders. So today we're going to be doing some experiments with light. So here is a mirror, and I'm going to put my light at the mirror, and it is reflected back at me just the way that just the direction that it was going to begin with. All right, so this is what the light does before it hits the object, and then it kind of bounces back at us when it is reflected. So that is reflection. Let's see what happens with a glass of water. There's my arrow. Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay, so fourth graders, here's another one we're going to look at. Here's some water, and I'm going to put the flashlight towards the water. Do you see how now the light this is what the light looks like, but then once I put the water through it, it bends it. So we have to think about what that word means when it bends the water. Or excuse me, the light, not the water, the light. All right, let's see. This is what the glass of water does, and it kind of bends it differently and makes it go at a different angle, and that is called refraction. All right, our last one is what happens when you shine light at a plant. And I was unable to get a plant, so I used an apple, which is a kind of plant in some ways. All right, here's our next experiment. Got my flashlight here, and I know the PowerPoint says plant, but we didn't have a plant that was available. So this is what happens with a light. What happens with that light? It is absorbed by the plant because we don't see the light. Once I move it, there's the light. I put the apple in front of it, it stops. All right, so this is what happens with that plant. It is absorbed by that apple. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the same experiment with a magnifying glass, some tin foil, and some black paper. Your job is going to be to, on a piece of paper, write down whether the light refracts, reflects, or absorbs when it hits the magnifying glass, the tin foil, and the black paper. I've made a video of them for you, but I'm not going to tell you which is which. You're going to do it yourself. And if you want to draw the picture of how the light looks when it hits that object using the flashlight pictures, feel free to do that. And you're going to take a picture and send it to your teacher. If I can get this video to work. All right, we're back, and I would like you to decide now if this is reflection, refraction, or absorption. Our first thing is our magnifying glass.
Hey, that's mine.
Sorry, it's Nathan's magnifying glass.
Thank you.
So what is happening to the light when it goes through the magnifying glass? I'd like you to write that down on a piece of paper for your teacher. The next one we're going to do is this piece of black paper? What is happening to the light as it goes through or as it shines on the black piece of paper? All right, my last one. No, I need this tinfoil. My lovely assistant. Thank you, Ellie. Okay, so here is the last one right here. What is happening to the light as it is shining on the tinfoil? Write that down and send those 3 objects with the words refraction, reflection, or absorption to your 4th grade teacher. All right, so I hope you enjoyed our videos today, and don't forget to send your work to your teacher. We miss you.